Hey guys, so in this video, I'm basically just going to be addressing the issue with Seamless Co-op in Elden Ring, where it's giving you the error code called failed to load save data, select OK to try again. And basically when you click OK, it just keeps popping up with the error and not loading anything else. So let's get into it. So first things first, I want you to open up any browsing software you're using, and you just want to type Revo Uninstaller like that. And don't worry, we're just going to be using the free version right there. And now that it's installed, you're going to open it up. Don't worry, it's saved. I have more than one version, so I've done this already. Click OK, click I accept the agreement, click next, click next, click next again, and then install. And now that that's installed, let's open it up. Okay, now that it's loaded, we're gonna open up Elden Ring. We're gonna press continue. Granted, system restore point. It'll take a sec. Alright, we're gonna press uninstall because it's the Steam installing it. Click yes when that pops up. And then we're going to advance, press scan, and we'll let that scan. Now that it's done scanning, we're gonna select all, and we're gonna press delete. Yes. And then if I found another one, we're gonna select all of these, we're gonna press delete. Yes. Alright, next up, we're gonna go down here, type Revo Uninstaller, and we're gonna get rid of Revo itself. We're gonna go through here until we find it. Right there, and we're gonna uninstall. Basically what that did is it okay, actually with this you can just get it. We don't care. They just want to serve it. Basically what Revo Uninstaller did was it hard wiped Revo and all of the files and everything off of your computer. Alrighty, next up you're gonna open up your file explorer, go to local disk, maybe. Go to program files 86, go down to Steam, go down to Steam app, go down to common, and you're going to get rid of your Elden Ring, any Elden Ring installation folder you have there, and just select it and drag it right into the recycle bin, and then you can empty that. We don't need that. And it's gone. Perfect. Okay, so from there you're going to go to your Seamless Co-op under Nexus mod, and you're going to download it right here in manual. But before you can do that, you're going to have to come up here and register or log in, make your account. From there you can click manual installation, slow download, and it'll download. From here you're going to go down to your downloads folder. You're going to drag Seamless Co-op Beta right there on your desktop, right click it, press extract all, and extract it. Okay, now that that's like that, we're going to go and move this folder over there and get rid of it. We don't need it anymore. Alright, that's gone. So next, we're going to go to this PC, local disk, program files 86. We're going to scroll down to Steam right here. And then we're going to go to Steam app. Maybe if it wants to open. Then we're going to go to common. We're going to go and be in this folder right here. So what we're going to do next is we're going to make a new folder and call that Elden Ring Co-op. I'm doing this because I found a really cool idea by somebody called Spectral Ghost. He'll be linked in the description, where he made a separate folder for that, and it seemed to work a lot better than putting it inside the Elden Ring folder itself. Oh, I actually put it in the grounded folder. Ooh. Alright, I just put it back. That's fine. So now we're going to go and we're going to open up Steam and we're going to download Elden Ring. Alrighty, now that Elden Ring is installed, you can press Windows R, and then you want to type this command that'll pop up on the screen right here. Steam : / open / console. What this basically does is it opens up the console, Yours will be blank, but mine has a bunch of stuff in here because I've already messed with stuff. From here, you want to go and you want to take the codes that I have down in my description and you want to run them right here. Basically what these are the depots for the correct version of Elden Ring that'll run with a mod. The first one will run pretty fast, but the second one is basically reinstalling Elden Ring on your device. So this is going to take a little bit. Basically, this is reinstalling the 1.10.1 version that is required for the Seamless Co-op. So we're going to wait until this is done now. Okay, now that it's installed, it should show 2 download completes. That's perfect. Now we go right click File Explorer, open it up to a new tab, or open up 2 tabs. Put one there, put one there. On the first tab, you go over here to Program File x86, go to Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Elden Ring Co-op, and you're gonna wait right. In this one, you're gonna take. Actually, gonna wait. I forgot. The Steam Co-op beta stuff. Co-op. We're gonna plop those right in there. That's pretty simple enough. We're gonna get rid of it. We don't need it anymore. Put this back. Alright. Now in your Elden Ring Co-op, you have these 2. And basically what the console did is it made different packages and files that we're going to put in here. We're going to go to Program Files 86, Steam App, and it made a content folder. In the content folder, you go and made the 2 depots that you need for the Elden Ring 1.10.1. So take the top one, grab them all and throw them in. When you go back, and then you take this, and grab both these and just throw them in there. And that's going to ask you if you want to place it through your file. You just place it. Perfect. And from there, you're basically done. All that's left is you have to go into the Seamless Co-op, right? Click on the Seamless Co-op settings, right click it, click Edit in Notepad. From here, from here, you want to make a password. That can really be anything you want. For this example, I'm just going to do a password 1234. And then file, save. Make sure there's that little space in between there. So now that it's saved, you can close out of it and you're done. The reason why you use a password is because that's the password for the world that you invite your friends on. Your friends have to also have the exact same password for them to join you. Otherwise, it will not work. So now what we can do is to make things look a little nicer, instead of just launching it right there, I'm going to right click. I'm going to click on it, then right click to show more options. And then I'm going to create a shortcut right here. There it is, right down there. Okay, I'm going to move the shortcut over here. And then I'm going to right click this. I'm going to rename it. I'm going to do all. Perfect. Now let's load it up, see if it works. You'll get a white screen, that's usual. That's what it does when it wants to load. You'll get a black screen. Go through all the colors. Cool. It looks like it's functioning fine, but the real question is if I'll still get the error here. Alright. It'll give you a bunch of stuff. We don't really press accept. And it's a beta test for the mod. And it works perfect. Let's go, man. I was struggling. Oh, you're loud. Okay. I was struggling with that for so long. And I'm black screen. Cool. Hey, you want to load? That'd be cool. There we go. Okay. I was struggling with this for so long. I crazy how I'm struggling for that. But I figured if you just get completely wipe all installations of Elden Ring using the Revo browser and then reinstalling it fresh, it works perfectly fine. I have no idea why, but it does. There's probably just like a corruption save files and I just got rid of them. That's what I'm assuming is the reason why it didn't work. Is there anything else we can go back onto? So it works perfectly fine. Okay, yeah. So once you load into the game, in order to here, actually watch this. Okay, so once you start a world, you will be spawned with 4 items. The first item, the host of the world will use this to mark that they're the host. The second item, the players who want to join the host will use this to mark that they want to join the host. So give them a little prompt and they can click it and they'll join. This mist right there, that is used for the players to leave. And the rule book right there, that is used to change the rules like enabling and disabling. This will all come in your guys' inventory right as soon as you guys spawn it. So you don't have to worry about trying to find these items or trying to figure out how to get them. They'll just be right there, ready to access. Easy. You just use them and it works perfect. But yeah, that's basically it. That's basically everything I wanted to show you. Elden Ring works now. You guys get the items. You can play with your friends. If you have any questions at all, just make sure to leave a comment down below. I can easily help you out with that. And yeah, thank you very much. Goodbye.